Crude oil today tried to trade bearish, but it has failed to break past 89, 88.8 levels, very good support zones. We discussed why these levels are very important and why crude might get a support at around 89 and 86, 88.56 levels, very strong support levels. Right now it is trying to recover, but remember it has not yet breached past $90 level, the first milestone. At the same time, net gas is trying to trade. This has also gone towards 2.88 and recovered now strongly trading at 2.92 levels, the first resistance. So what to expect from the US session from crude oil and net gas, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. The first update I released before the Asia and Europe session, and thus press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Let's start. First we'll look into US crude followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts for oil. See lower lows, lower highs. It is trying to make an attempt towards 90.2, 90.5 levels. These are great resistances. First it has to break past 90, 90.2 zone and then 90.4, 90.5. Yes, if it stays above these levels, then only we can say that there is further bullishness. Else, as long as 90.6, 91 is respected, you can say that it is trying to retrace and not reversal here. And hence, as long as 91 is respected, possibly we may see it crashing again on the downside. Stochastic is rising, looking upwards, while MACD was trading bearish. It has seen very strong bearish momentum. It can converge crossover for a buying entry here. Right now, it is willing to converge, but this is purely on the hourly charts. RSI looking upwards, staying bullish. If you look at 2-hour chart, now look at 2-hour charts, double bottom here, higher highs here. Wait for it to break past 90, 90.2 zone, and then you can look forward to 94.4, 90.6, and then 91 will be broken, and we can see oil continuing in this. Right now it is in bearish channel. Once it stays beyond 90.5 and 91, you can say that oil is continuing to reverse and we can see a major up move. Yes, several times I had told you earlier in my every analysis, whether be it daily, whether be it weekly analysis, I told you 92.5 is achievable target and it should achieve, and possibly we may see a retracement from those levels. So far the same thing has happened. Now right now it is trying to rise, but I will wait for 90, 90.2 zone to be breached in order to confirm the rise, and then wait for 90.4, 90.6 and then 91 reversal. Right now it is still bearish. The stochastic is rising here. Also look at MACD. See, MACD was trading with extreme divergence. Now it is looking to converge. This suggests that there could be slight bullishness here. You can see this was the rise here. Second wave has just culminated. Potential conversion from here is seen. I will wait for a crossover in order to confirm the rise. RSI is rising, trying to confirm the bullishness. And on the 3-hour chart, see, after diminishing bearishness here, it is potentially reversing a signal. This could be a game changer for oil. If it stays above 90, 90.2 zone, we may see a very good rise for first 90.5, 90.6 levels and then 91. Yes, if it stays above 91, you can say that oil is again trying to reverse and we are looking forward to a bullish move. Long time back, we have told that 84, 88, 92.4 are achievable levels, and see, it has achieved this. Now, whether can it break these levels, that is what we need to wait and watch. I do not think so that it is going to happen today. Stochastic rising, MACD sharply bearish here, it can potentially converge crossover for buy. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts likewise, see increasing body size, it is trying to reverse, but this reversal you can see is coming after on a backdrop of a strong red candles. So one red candle consolidation, one red candle, couple of reversal candles or retracement candles. I will wait and watch. If it breaks past 91, that is the time when you can say that it is trying to reverse, else it is retracement. 90.4, 90.5 levels are achievable. You can buy at 90, but then with a rider, then with a caution that it can reverse any point of time as long as 91 is not breached. Yes, as long as 91 is not breached, you can potentially see a very strong reversal today itself, and hence you have to trade with caution. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at daily chart. See, it is staying in this. It was staying in this bullish channel. It has breached past the channel. It is now trying to drop. Also look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. Right now sitting at around 87.5, 87.6. So yes, if you see it is staying beyond 88.5 levels, you can expect that it is going to hit 87.5, which is a major support on the daily charts. And yes, in fact, as long as 86 and this 85.8 is respected, we should not be treating oil as bearish, it can potentially show very strong recovery. And for the day, you can say that as long as 88.6 and 87.6 are respected today, you should not be treating oil as bearish. Stochastic has dropped, it was overbought. MACD is willing to converge, MACD is willing to cross over. Right now, it is still on the up move, and conversion here will may bring bearishness here, so you have to be watchful. RSI was overbought, it has come out of the overbought levels. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators and looking. I will only recommend you to buy oil if you see it is staying above 90, but then also 90.2, 90.4 to 6 zone. Very stronger resistance as long as 90.6 is respected, and beyond that you can see it hitting 91 levels today itself. Beyond 91, the bulls might try to take over and more bullish momentum may prevail. On the downside, I recommend to sell here 89.2 levels, but then 89, 88.8 and 88.5 levels are three major resistances. Below 88.5 is where the bears will take over. Caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on first week of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at net gas. See, net gas, if you see, this was the consolidation zone. It has now created the consolidation at the same levels, and we discussed this earlier in the day that do not trade net gas in between 2.95 and 2.9. In fact, these are going to remain a great support levels, and hence you should be watchful in between this support and resistance at 2.95 and 2.9. Stochastic is trying to rise. MACD, if you look at MACD, is trying to diverge here. It stayed bearish for a while, now trying to converge. That is net gas on the hourly charts. RSI is flat here. So yes, possibility exists that we may see a rise. It is trying to create a base, but this base is coming a bit lower than what we had seen earlier. 2.99, 2.8, 2.86, very good support here on the downside. Only below 2.86 for the bearishness may prevail. Also, if you look at, see, this is after the drop, this is trying to retrace, and once it breaks past 2.9596 level, that is the time beyond which the bulls will try to take over, and then we can again expect $3 levels here. Now if you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is sharply bearish. It can potentially converge crossover for a buying entry, but right now it is staying bearish. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation on the 2-hour charts, trying to stay in the box. Do not trade between 2.9 2.94 levels. Stochastic comfortable. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. You can see first wave completed, second wave is continuing here, and this is the bearish wave. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, higher lows, flat top, let it squeeze, and see, once it draws below 2.9, certainly the bears will take over here. You can wait for 2.88 and 2.585 as the major support. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, it is looking downwards. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now look at 4-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. Higher lows, flat top, let it break out on the upside. The bullish momentum is going to prevail. See, only thing it has done so far is it has converged towards the 20 period moving average. Now it continues to rise on the upside. We can see strong bullish momentum taking it till towards 3.05, 3.1 levels. Stochastic rising here, MACD is crossing over for a sell here. See this? This is a slight bearish indication. RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at daily charts. Previous was an indecision candle. Today is at higher lows it has created. Now trying to rise beyond 2.9496 zone. You can expect 2.91, and then $3 level should get achieved. In fact, I will be looking forward to 3.05 and 3.1 levels on the upside. Yes, rise retracement, rise again. So from here, if net gas tries to fly beyond 2.9496 zone, certainly the bullish momentum may prevail, and any rise above $3 levels is going to take it on the upside here. So beyond $3 levels, 3.02, 3.05. 3.05 is the double top levels. You can see this rise here. And beyond 3.05, the direct target is towards 3.2. If not today, possibly tomorrow or next week. Yes, these levels are achievable. We may see more bullish momentum. Possibility exists. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by the Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description.